What's happening, you guys? This is Sean Casilli, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. And right now I'm at Edgewater 1305 or 1305 Gulf Villas. And yes, I am by myself today, so I am going to be cameraman and giving you guys a tour of this one bedroom, two bath, 853 square feet, listing by Sandy Toney with Sand Dollar Beach Real Estate. Thank you, Sandy, for letting us do a buyer's agent preview, letting me do a buyer's agent preview of your listing here at Edgewater 1305. All right, you guys, let's go to the front door and take a walk through the unit. The guests that were here, they just checked out. So the unit is in the middle of being turned, so it hasn't been cleaned yet. So things might be a little out of place. Gotta love it. Open the door right when the weed whacker was going by. So right as you walk in the front door, we got a bathroom here, and behind the door, we got a shower. I like the glass door here. That's nice. I like the vanity too. A little interesting on the floor there. Looks like one bulb burnout. And right across the hall we have a closet, electrical panel. It's a square D. Tile floors. We'll go into the kitchen now. Some stainless steel appliances that look like they've been updated. Fridge. And then across from that you have stackable laundry. And I'm sorry if you're calling me, but I'll have to call you back. Have water heater and AC closet. Looks like we have service records back to December of 2017. And now into the bedroom. Looks like there's two full-size beds in here. And there's the view that you have. This is the first floor of this unit. You have a little pond outside, and just beyond the pond is R. Jackson, and there's a sliding glass door here that leads to your little patio there. We have carpet in here, and the carpet looks like it's in decent condition. Back where we started the video, the bathroom, we got medicine cabinets on either side of this large single vanity. Good size step-in closet. And then the rest of the bathroom, you got a shower tub combination here. Looks about like almost a 7-foot ceiling because of the drop ceiling there. And let's check out the living room before we wrap up the video. Here's the dining area. Again, the carpet in the dining area looks to be in decent condition. And the view from the couch here, if you're sitting here, not a bad view. You also have another sliding door that goes out to your patio out here. All right, you guys, I'm gonna leave my contact information below. If you have any questions, please reach out. If you like this kind of content and want to see more of it on your home screen of your YouTube channel or your YouTube homepage, hit the like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and we will catch you guys on the next one. In the meantime, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay positive. See you next time.